Oh. The water cleared away the rust, it's deep. We need a crane to lift this, the frame's weak.
Oh, get a heavy wrecker now.
Roger that, sending coordinates. The chassis is compromised, the ladder joints are seized. This needs heavy equipment, we can't move it as is.
Keep it slow, watch the tree on the left. Confirm. Reversing slightly. Straighten out now, good.
Keep coming back, you got it.
Cable tension is good. Hook is clear to descend. Grab the chain, slowly. Coming down easy. Good grab, secure it. Front secure, rear secure. Looks good, good. Take up the slack. Clear, clear. Keep it steady. Looking good. Affirmative. Stabilizing now. Slow lift. Pull. Good. Contact. Oh. Looking good. Tight. Check.
Tout. You're good, keep coming. Easy does it, stop here.
All right, it's hold. All right, we're set.
That's the spot.
Let's get started. All right, let's get that angle on the windshield corrosion.
Yeah.
Copy that. Moving to log the rust on the rear panel. Measure that thickness there. It's all right. It's right on the edge. Mark it. Done. Taking the weight. Good balance. Watch the hoses. Clear to lift. Moving up.
Keep it steady. Harder hits this time.
Got it. One more.
Watch the balance. Ease it down. Keep it steady. Harder hits this time.
Got it. One more.
Watch the balance. Ease it down.
Hook on the lifting eye, safety clip engaged, adjusting for balance, testing tension. $17.860. Verified. One tap. Main power cable secured, ground strap is good. Insert the 20 amp fuse here. Continuity test complete. All systems check out. Torque it to spec, 15.5 pounds. Got it. Pads inserted correctly. Bleeder access checked. Ready to move on. Line it up, good. Just like that, pass me the wrench. Torque set to 25. Checking the slide, clear the dash, looks good. Line up the splines. Got the wire. Nice, give it some torque. Done. Feels good, let's test it. Keep it steady, down a few inches, stop. Hold it right there, bolts in. Check the level. Looks good, release the tension. All right, circuit A is secured. Check the routing on B. Routing looks good, fill the reservoir. Engage extension.
Pressure holding steady.
Reach full extension. Check limit switches.
Limit switches confirmed, no leaks.
All right, seated. Now for the stem.
Looks good. Here's the hose.
Checking pressure. It's 2 spec. Let's stage it. Line it up right there. Got it. Torque pattern. Done. All good. Okay, slowly. Checking the bell housing alignment. Just a little to the left. Perfect. Looking good. Drop it. Torquing down the front mounts now.
Alignment looks good on this side.
Verified. Moving to the final spec.
She's running. Look at those.
Yeah. Perfect. Years of work right there.